Class 3 Computer Chapter 3 Word 2016 Part 11. Topics for today are Exercise C, application based questions given on page number 40. Exercise D, answer the following given on the same page, that is page number 40. Dear children, I hope you all have done your yesterday's homework which was sent. We did exercise A and B and I asked you to do it in your copy. I hope you all have done it and you are very regular in your work. And now let's do this exercise number C. Application based question means we have to apply, it checks your application, what you have learned and how you are using it in your daily scenario or any kind of situation. How will you use what you have learned? So one such situation is given here, how she is going to the person here, the question is about. Let's read it. Here we are talking about Geeta, who is in some problem and she wants to find a solution here. Geeta writes a story in word processor. You all know what is a word processor? Word 2016 is also a word processor. She wants to see the name of her current document and application. So current document is the document when you open it. We can open as many number of documents with the help of the application. Application is word processor. When we open the word processor application, we can create as many number of document in it. Clear, children? Application is the software. When we open that program, we can create any number of documents. So that's why we have two windows we learned, document window and application window. When you close the document window, it will open just that document and you can create another new document. But when you close the application window, it will close this MS Word 2016 from the computer. So don't get confused with the document and application. So remember, document, without the application open, you cannot open a document. So to create a new document, you have to keep your application open. Which part of the window will display it? So once you open and the application and your document is open and you have typed something there, and you have saved it also. Now where will you see the saved name, that file name that you have given? Where will you see it? It will be seen on the title bar, the topmost bar, the blue bar that you see. On that bar, in the center portion, you will see the title of the document. Then question number 2. The teacher has asked Rahul to save his document without using the file tab. Suggest the way to get this dialog box to save the document. So there are 3 ways we learned to save the document. Here one such way is using the file tab. When you click on the file tab, you will see the file save option or save as option. Save as is used when you want to create and when you want to save the same file with another name or as a separate file. And we use save if you are saving it for the first time, then it will show you the dialog box, otherwise it will just save it without showing the dialog box. And then we have press F12, which also shows us the dialog box to save the file with the new name. And there is another option, that is quick access toolbar, where you can click on the save button. So here, if Rahul cannot use file tab, Rahul can save his document in 2 ways. Either he presses F12 key or click on the save button on quick access toolbar, which is at the topmost bar, that is it is given on the title bar, but it is at the topmost left corner of the title bar. So he can do either F12 or save click on the save button on quick access toolbar. These are the two ways which Rahul can use to save his document without using the file tab. Now let's do exercise D. Answer the following, given on page number 40. How is Microsoft Word useful for us? Microsoft Word helps us to type, edit, format and print the text. Then question number 2. How will you save a file in Word 2016? Answer to this question is, a file in Word 2000 can be saved with these steps. Number 1. Click on the File tab to select the Save option or Save button from the Quick Access toolbar. Then choose a location to save the document once the Save As dialog box opens. Once that box comes up, then you can choose your location, the place where you want to save the file. Then type a name for your file in the file name box. There will be a box below and you have to type in the name of the file. Once you type it, then you click on the save button. Then the file name that you have typed will appear on the title bar. These are the steps to save file in Word 2016. Now question number 3. Which toolbar consists of buttons to access the commonly used commands? So which toolbar consists? Quick access toolbar, which is I just now in the previous question also I told you, it is at the top left hand corner of the title bar, the first bar where the title of the or the name of the document appears. Quick access toolbar consists of buttons to access the commonly used commands. Commonly means very often, you use it more. Now question number 4. Name the components of the Word 2016 window. What are the different important parts or the components of Word 2016 window? So answer to this question is, number 1 is title bar, quick access toolbar, ribbon display option, file tab, commands, ribbon, rulers, vertical and horizontal scroll bars, working area, zoom slider, document window and application window are some of the components of Word 2016 window. So that's all for today, children. We have covered this chapter with this exercise. I hope you have understood this chapter well, and even in online classes I have been asking you for your doubts, to clear your doubts. Even if you have your doubts, even now also you can clear your doubts in your online class. So go through the chapter very well, read it again and again, get used to the new technical terms, the computer terms, then it is very easy to understand. Do these questions and learn them well. That's all for today, children. Take care.